Have you ever sat back and pondered how an average earner can make money in the US? Wonder no more. This video is all about that. It's about turning the tables, about making the most out of what you already have. So buckle up and prepare to delve into the world of financial success. First things first, it's essential to understand the importance of financial planning. Without a solid plan, it's like sailing a ship without a compass. You can't expect to reach the land of wealth. So, start by assessing your current financial status. Identify your income, your expenses, and your savings. This step forms the foundation of your financial journey. Once you have a clear picture of your financial status, it's time to set achievable financial goals. These goals can range from saving for a new car or house to investing in stocks or starting a side business. Remember, these goals should be SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Now that you've set your financial goals, it's time to start working towards achieving them. This step involves creating a budget. A budget is a financial plan that outlines your income and expenses. It helps you keep track of your money and ensures that you're not overspending. With your budget in place, it's time to start saving. This might seem like a daunting task, especially if you're living paycheck to paycheck. But remember, every little bit counts. Start by saving a small portion of your income every month. As you get more comfortable with saving, try to increase the amount you're setting aside. While saving is important, it's not the only way to increase your income. Another effective way is through investments. Investing your money can lead to significant returns over time. There are various investment options available, from stocks and bonds to real estate and mutual funds. Do your research and choose the one that best suits your financial goals and risk tolerance. Another way to increase your income is by improving your skills and advancing in your career. Whether that means going back to school, taking online courses, or seeking a promotion, investing in yourself can lead to higher earning potential. Finally, consider starting a side hustle. This could be anything from freelancing, selling handmade products, or offering a service in your area of expertise. A side hustle not only provides an additional income stream, but also allows you to pursue something you're passionate about. To recap, increasing your income as an average earner involves a combination of financial planning, setting SMART goals, budgeting, saving, investing, improving your skills, and starting a side hustle. Remember, it's not about how much money you make, but how much you keep and how hard it works for you. Start today and watch your financial future transform. That's it for this video. Stay tuned for more practical and insightful tips on how to navigate the financial landscape. Until then, keep striving for financial success. It's not just a dream, it's a journey, and you are well on your way.